first step to configure the remote control is to create a user which we will use to link the oven to the mobile device, tablet or computer. There are two ways to create a user. You can scan the QR code on the quick guide that was inside your oven, or you can type the following link into your browser. Once you see the authentication panel, just select the Create Account button to create a new user account. A form will then appear with 3 fields: email address, password, and repeat password. The password must contain a minimum of 6 characters. Once you have connected the oven to the power outlet, it will be visible as a Wi-Fi network from any device. You will need to look for this Wi-Fi network from the mobile device or computer that you want to connect with. A network will appear with the name Mychef, followed by a number in brackets. Select this network, and when asked for the password, enter the code that appears on the silver label on the left side of the oven. At the top of this label, you'll see the same combination of letters and numbers that you saw in the network's name, and just below you'll see a number next to the word code. These are the numbers that you'll need to enter as your password. Once you've entered the password, wait for a configuration web portal to open automatically. In this portal, you will need to enter the details for your building's Wi-Fi, which is the network you want to use to connect your oven to the internet. For SSID, enter the Wi-Fi network name. Then enter the password. And for Mychef login email, type in the email address you used to register within the first step. At this point, it is important to note down the MAC address that appears on this screen, because you will need it later to complete another step. Once you have filled in all the fields, press the Save button to save the configuration and start the connection. Once an internet connection has been established, the Wi-Fi network, Mychef plus number, will no longer be visible. The next step is to link your oven to the mobile device, tablet or computer. To do this, you will need to go to the same web address that you used in step 1. You can access it in the same ways, either by scanning the QR code in the quick guide or by typing the following address in the browser. Once you access the link and the authentication page appears, click on Login and use the email and password created in step 1 to log in. The first time login, you'll see this combination of buttons. To add a new device, select the Add New Device button. When you press it, this form will open. In device name, enter a name for the oven so you can recognize it in case you need to add more than one. For MAC address, enter the address that you noted down in the previous step. Finally, click on Add Device to add the device. If all the previous steps have been carried out correctly, the oven control panel will then appear with the various buttons for displaying and changing the different parameters that are available for the linked equipment, as well as the current values for temperature, humidity, cooking time, and fan speed. Bear in mind that when you make a change in the remote control system, there may be a slight delay before it is executed by the equipment. If you like, you can save a shortcut to your home screen so you can access the remote control quicker and easier. To save it on a mobile device or tablet, first go to the remote control screen. If we're accessing it from the Google Chrome browser on an Android device, go to the menu at the top right marked with the 3 vertical dots. Select Add to Home Screen and add it. If you're accessing it from the Safari browser on an Apple device, click the Share button and select the Add to Home Screen option. This will create a shortcut to your smart remote control on the home screen of your mobile device, just like an application. To save it on a computer, first you need to access the remote control screen with the Google Chrome browser. Then go to the menu at the top right marked with 3 vertical dots, select More Tools, then select Create Shortcut. A pop-up window will then open, where you need to enter the desired name for the application and select the box Open as Window and Create. This will create a shortcut to your smart remote control on your computer desktop.